A nice warm up setting up on this Thursday before a big cool down with our next strong cold front. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Alita Loresca with a look at your 1-minute weather. Today, temperatures will be pushing into the 70s. The clouds will start to part. We'll continue to roll out of here. We are looking at, unfortunately, an ozone pollution watch. The combination of that sunshine and the warmer conditions will lead to some higher levels of ozone pollution as we get into the afternoon for Harris, Brazoria, and Galveston County. Now, we are looking at some changes. Today's highs should warm somewhere in the upper 60s to low 70s. We'll transition from a sun-filled sky to a cloud-filled sky later on tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, it won't be completely wet. There'll be a few spotty rain showers around, but I think the higher coverage of rain will be moving during the afternoon. Now, this front will be working its way into Houston around the lunchtime hour. So out ahead of this front, we should be able to see temperatures warm somewhere in the low to mid 60s, followed by a drop in temperatures behind the front and the winds picking up. Notice I think the highest coverage of that rain is moving in around 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, continuing for the first half of the evening and then slowly tapering off as the sun goes down. The temperatures will continue to fall. So by 7 p.m., we're talking temperatures in the 30s, along with some very strong winds, 40s down in Galveston, upper 40s, or rather low 40s in Houston, upper 40s in Galveston. But by 9 p.m., we're talking about temperatures getting close to the upper 30s. You're in the mid 30s in College Station, and with the wind, it's going to feel a lot colder. So your Friday hour by hour forecast looks like this for now. Based on the computer models this morning and my analysis, it looks like temperature readings should top out somewhere in the low to mid 60s. The rain chance at around lunchtime at 40%, but going into the afternoon and evening, the rain chances look to build as temperatures start to fall. We're talking temperature readings by, 6 p.m. dropping down into the 40s. The wind advisory, the winds will be picking up, so wind advisories go in effect beginning at 11 a.m. tomorrow and lasting through 12 o'clock on Saturday. Those winds gusting anywhere between 30 to 40 miles per hour. So you combine the cold coming down and that wind. Check out the wind chill values. The forecast feels like temperatures 3 o'clock tomorrow, you're already going to feel like you're freezing on the northwest side of town, and then that cold air continues to push southward. The wind chill values by the evening should be dipping down into the upper 20s in Katy, lower 30s in Houston, upper 30s down toward Galveston, and then by Saturday morning, oh yeah, lots of 20s on the map. It is going to be a frigid start to the weekend. Now, with the sunshine on Saturday, that should allow temperature readings to warm into the mid-50s, and the winds are expected to taper off as we get into the afternoon hours. Sunday will start off with some frost, temperature readings hovering right around the freezing mark. A light freeze will be possible, and especially in our northern counties. Some added clouds during the afternoon out ahead of a weak front. Temperatures warm into the low 60s on Sunday, and then we got a better warm-up headed our way for that spring break week. Temperature readings in the morning in the 40s and 50s with highs in the mid to upper 70s. Hope you have a great Thursday.